Hey guys, today let's learn how to use text-to-speech on CapCut. So in the case that you want to go ahead and add some text on your videos, and you want to utilize this new feature on CapCut called text-to-speech, in this video I'm going to teach you guys just how to use it step by step, so watch this video until the end to learn just how. So let's dive right into it just by going ahead, of course, on our CapCut recording or CapCut video right here. Of course, this is going to be a live tutorial. I'm going to go ahead now, and of course I have already imported the specific media that I do need. I have also entered the specific files on my timeline, and I also have created a text sample right here on the top right. I'm going to go ahead and quickly edit this text to completely say please, so that it may read properly. I'm going to go ahead and position this text right here. Of course, you could also watch our tutorials on this channel on how to properly add some text and use CapCut. But in this tutorial, I'm going to teach you guys strictly just how to use the text-to-speech. Okay, so if you want to go ahead and use text-to-speech, of course, under here, I just want you to tap on the text text file or text on the timeline, of course. Next, of course, you do need to tap on the text-to-speech on the top right corner of our screens on CapCut, right here next to the tracking tab. Over here we have text-to-speech. So just tap on text-to-speech and it's automatically going to be enabled for us. So by default, we do have nothing on there. And we do have a list or a myriad of tons of different accents and voices that we have over here. And I'm going to choose maybe a narrative male for this example.
Please subscribe.
And we also have wacky.
Please subscribe.
We also have a British female.
Please subscribe.
And a lot of different more. Let's just try those to see if they are working or what they sound like.
Please subscribe. Please subscribe.
Please subscribe.
Please subscribe.
Okay, so basically you have now saw a lot of different voices to show you for an example, of course. And all we need to do next is to just basically choose the one that we prefer to use. In this case, I'm going to go ahead and maybe choose this one.
Please subscribe.
And of course, once we just tap on that, of course, it's already going to be enabled all the way through the recording or through this timeline over here. And once we export that, that also will be exported with our file. And as you see, we could also tap this start reading option to basically allow it to finalize. And as you see, the sound is already going to be implemented right here. And once we play it through our video,
Please subscribe.
as you see, it is already implemented with the video. And that's how you guys could easily use text-to-speech just by following this video. Of course, please comment down below if it worked, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Take care.